Welcome to my channel once again, and today I'm gonna be doing something new. As you guys notice, my channel has a wide variety of different videos, and today I'm gonna be replacing this. That's right, a receptacle. And I don't tend to die today, so I'm gonna be cutting off the power first. And the receptacle is that one over there. And why am I replacing it when it appears to be working just perfectly fine? Well, when you connect things, they tend to be a little loose. So if you touch it, devices turn off. So let me go ahead and turn the power off to the whole house, the main switch. Let me go to the main switch. Off, that means that I had turned the power off for the whole house. So let's go outside. Here's the main. Here are all the breakers. Main switch. So let me go ahead and turn it off. Okay. That way. Okay. So let's go see. And we come back here and we notice that the power is off. So it will be okay for me to start doing the job. And let me go ahead and remove the fish tank away. Alright, the fish tank is out of the way. And I'm wearing a headlight to make my job a little easier so I can see better. And notice that how loose that is. You guys see that? Go ahead, let's connect this. Even this one, it's a little loose. Okay, flathead screwdriver to remove this tiny screw. I think the faceplate is in good condition, so I just happened to buy the receptacle. Okay, the receptacle, it's exposed. Let me go ahead and remove top screw and the bottom screw. I might use a Phillips head screwdriver for this one. Okay. And it's already kind of loose. Okay, with my fingers. Okay, remove that one. I'm gonna bring it out. Let's see. Hopefully this job turns out to be a little easy. All right, so notice the orientation. So I'm just gonna be replacing those two wires onto here, and the same thing on the other side. You guys see that? Two wires. It's a little dirty inside, but I can do it. I want to try to hurry up because I don't want my fish to die. Okay, the first one is out. Let me try to remove the other one. Okay. Okay, second one's out. Now I'm gonna try to remove those two. There you go, one's out. The other one's out, come on, come on. Come on, there you go. It's out, one more. So off top, you go ahead and put it here. And oh, the other one is almost out, almost out. Almost, there you go. All right, bottom, okay. Left side, top left, bottom left, top right, bottom right. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do with the new one. And this is the old one. I mean, this one's a little cleaner than this one. Okay, and let's do it. All right. So what did I say? To recap: top right, bottom right. Okay, and let's go ahead and leave those to the side. Let's start with the bottom one. I don't have enough wire here to play around with. Okay, first one's in, and go ahead and screw it in. And just go ahead and push the wire in a little bit. Let me try to screw it in. Okay, and let's see, maybe I can twist this one inwards a little bit, like that. Okay, there. Unscrew these a little bit. Get in there. There you go. Beautiful. Okay, push this in a little bit. Okay, it's beautiful. Give it another turn. Okay, let me go ahead and do that for the rest. All right, almost done. Gotta do the last one on this side, and I'll be putting the faceplate afterwards. Okay. Almost. I just gotta hook this wire around the screw and tighten. Let me go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm done with the last one. I think all of them are in perfectly. Okay, let's look at the other side. Okay, you guys see that? Okay, now let me go ahead and put the screw these two screws in, and then we'll proceed with the faceplate. Okay. Let me find the hole. Sometimes it's hard to find the hole. I don't know why. There you go. All right. Top one. The whole idea is to screw one at a time so it can go in evenly. And I think the faceplate is next. And after the faceplate, we'll go ahead and turn the power back on from the main switch. That should be outside your house. Oops. Almost done, guys. Almost done. Okay, next. Time for the faceplate. There you go. Okay. It's nice and tight. Now, let's check. Let's go ahead and plug in one of these connectors. And you guys remember how loose it was? Now, with the new one, look at that. Perfect. Let's test the other one. Nice and snug. That's how it should be. So now let me go ahead and connect the other one, and hopefully we'll have power once I turn the main switch on. And let's go ahead and do that. So it's time for the light for the fish tank to come on. Don't get desperate, guys. Don't get desperate. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back at the main switch. It was this one. To turn it off, I went that way. Now to turn it on, I should go that way. Okay, hopefully the house doesn't explode on me. Okay, here we go. Oh, okay, it's on. Let me go ahead and close the box. Okay, let's go back inside the house. And lights on. All right. Good job. Okay. And that's how you replace a receptacle, an electrical outlet. Okay, this is trash. Now, my devices won't turn off just by touching the electrical cables. Very nice and tight. Thanks for watching, guys. And I didn't die, and I'm still alive. Subscribe to my channel, 2UB40.